I have placed an earthen bowl on my terrace here. An earthen bowl fits about 2.5 liters of water. This will not cost me more than 30 to 40 bucks. I've been doing this from 7 years from now, and a lot of birds and even small animals come and drink water from this source. Squirrels, crows, owls, bats, sparrows. I feel good. It's our duty, being a part of this planet. It's our duty to do something to save the inhabitants of this planet. It's our damn duty. On top, because of this, lot of birds come every day and they drink from this place. It's been around from around 8 to 10 years, and almost all the local birds the water.